Hey guys, today I will be making cookies and cream hot chocolate bombs. Here are my ingredients. So first, let's start by melting the almond bark. I'm using 6 pieces of almond bark, which usually makes about 4 complete hot chocolate bombs. I have a Wilton chocolate melter, which I love, but if you don't have this, just put your chocolate in a bowl, stick it in the microwave, and stir every 30 seconds. While my chocolate melts, I'm going to scrape the cream out of the Oreos and use it later. We are not wasting anything. Next, I'm going to put the Oreos in a Ziploc bag and crush them up. Now, if some of you have a 4-year-old kitchen buddy, this is a great step for them to jump in and participate. My buddy was sleeping, so I had to do it myself. I have a silicone mold that I got from Walmart. I'm going to go ahead and cut this mold because it's easier for me to work with. So now my chocolate is all melted. I'm going to add in those crushed Oreos and stir. And then I'm going to fill the molds. I'm just moving the bark all over, making sure it covers all the way to the top. Also, make sure you wipe all that spilled bark from around the top. So some of the bark will settle at the bottom, but just give it a few taps and you can dump some of it back into your bowl. Now I'm going to stick my bombs in the freezer for 3 to 5 minutes so they can settle. So they have hardened now. It doesn't take long, so I'm going to add a second coat, doing the same thing I did before so I can make sure my bombs won't crack when I take them out. Pop them back in the freezer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, and now they're ready to come out of the mold. Just fold back and they pop right out. Let's go ahead and stuff them. That cream I put aside earlier, we're going to go ahead and add it to each bomb. It doesn't matter how much. Then add 1 tablespoon of any hot cocoa mix. And as many marshmallows as you desire. Now let's put them together. I have a candle warmer covered with foil. It cost me $5 at Walmart. Or you can put a plate in the microwave and use it. You just need a hot surface. You're going to take the empty half of the bomb and melt it down so it's even. Then put it on top the other half, slightly turning it. And if your seam isn't flush, you can always add a little chocolate around it and just smooth around with your finger. Last step is decorating. I have some plain melted almond bark in a piping bag. I'm just going to drizzle it on top and add some Oreo crumbs. Looks yummy. Add hot milk and there you go. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you tried this out. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.